Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem and the name of this problem is the pads. Okay, so let us read the question. Generate the following two result set. Okay, so first one is query an alphabetically ordered list of all names in occupations. Okay, so we have this occupations table and we need to query the name in alphabetical order. Okay, immediately followed by the first letter of each profession as a parenthetical that is enclosed in parentheses. For example, an actor name, then parenthesis and their first letter of their profession. Okay, so let me start doing this. So we have this table that is occupations, where we have two columns, that is name and their profession. The output we need is something is this, the name and then parenthesis and then the first letter of their profession. Okay, why this compilation error? Okay, so we got the name and their profession. Okay, so first what we need is the first letter of this profession. So how we will do that? We will use the left function. So what left function does is it starts from the leftmost, and then the second parameter that we need to give is how many characters we need from the leftmost. Okay, so I need only the one character. So what I will do, I will use name and then we have this occupation, and from this occupation I only need the first letter. So I will give the second as one only. Okay, so we got this first letter of their profession. Now we need to enclose this in parentheses. Okay, so how I am going to do that is first name and then we need to basically concat this. So plus, then parenthesis, open parenthesis, then again plus to concat that, and then we need to close that parenthesis. Okay, all right, we got our result. Now we need to order that also. So we need to order that alphabetically by their names. Okay, so order by names, and it's ascending, so by default it's ascending. We don't need to mention that. Okay, so we have successfully completed this first query, and now let's move on to this second one. So in second query the number of occurrence of each occupation in occupations. Okay, so we have this occupations column where we have the name of their profession, right? What are they? Are they doctor? Are they singer? Are they actor or professor, right? We need to count how many are doctor, how many are actor, how many are professor, and how many are singer. Okay, so let me first comment this. Okay, now we have this select star from we have this occupation column, occupation. Okay, so now we need to count how many are professor, how many are actor, and so on. Okay, so what I am going to use is I will use count function for that. So count star, let me alias this as let's say CNT from occupations, and we need to group this also. So group by occupation, group by occupation. Okay, let me run this. Why this gives me compilation error? Okay, so we got, so the actor is 4 times, doctor is 3 times, professor 7, singer 4. Okay, now let's move further. So now we need to sort the occurrence in ascending order. Okay, sort the occurrences in ascending order. So we need to sort this by their count. Okay, so order by CNT, and we need to order that in ascending order. Yeah, so 3, 4, 4 and 7. All right. And output them in the following format. So we need to output like this. So there are a total of, then we need to provide the occupation count and then occupation, and then we need to put S and dot. Okay, so first is we need to put this. So here also we need to use a concat. So let me put this string, and then we need to put the count. Okay, okay. So but the problem is that this is string and this count is int. So let me first cast this also. Let me show you what error it will give first, then you will better understand. Okay, so I need to remove this comma. Okay, so conversion failed when converting the varchar value. There are a total of this to data type int. Okay, so this is varchar, this is int. So let me cast this also as varchar. So cast this as varchar, right? All right. Okay, so there are a total of 3 doctor. Now as you can see that here there are a total of, then we need space also. Let me add this space. So this is space. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to provide this S and this dot also. So occupation, then S and then dot. Yeah, and then there is one more thing is that yeah, so and occupation is the lowercase occupation name. So this occupation name we need to lower this, means we all the letters should be in lowercase. So let me use the lower function. So lower, what it will do, it will put this in lowercase, all the letters. Okay, and if more than one occupation has the same occupation count, so this 2 and 3 both have the same occupation count, that is 4 and 4. So if that is the case, then they should be ordered alphabetically. Okay, so we need to order that in alphabetical order. So order by CNT, and then second is by occupation alphabetically in ascending. So by default is ascending. All right, we got our desired result. Now let me just uncomment this. And yeah, so we have passed all the sample test cases, and now we need to click to submit this code. Yeah, so it's done. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.